Chef D here. Welcome back to the Innovation Kitchen. We are going to show you an amazing Korean barbecue burger, an elevated version that you can make in 30 minutes or less. It's going to blow your mind. As you know, our burgers come fully seasoned, ready to go, and are delicious and amazing. This is how we're elevating it today with some soy, garlic, ginger, and a little sugar. Over here, we have our ingredients for the kimchi aioli. We have some plant-based mayo. This is store-bought kimchi. We've just roughly chopped it up real quickly. If you do make your own at home, same thing, just give it a little chop. Rice vinegar, salt, pepper, agave or honey, and Korean chili paste or gochujang, which you can buy in the store. We're gonna get started with our slaw. We have shredded green cabbage, beautifully cut cucumber and carrot. So you can cut those by hand and work on your knife skills. We could use a mandolin or just buy it in the store pre-cut. We have our cabbage here. Go ahead and dump in our carrots, cucumber, vinegar, soy. Now this is 2 tablespoons of chili flake. You might want to use 1 if you don't like it too spicy. Then just mix it up. I like to make it ahead of time. It sits really nice. You can actually hold it in your fridge if you'd like to or need to. Simple, easy. Our slaw is now prepared. Now that we have our slaw ready and resting, we're going to go ahead and make the kimchi aioli. This is our plant-based mayo, chopped kimchi, rice vinegar, agave or honey. My favorite, the Korean chili paste, the gochujang. Add a little bit of salt. Then go ahead and mix it up. I actually like to add a pinch of pepper too. Comes together very quickly. Smells great. I love the gochujang. It really gives it that signature Korean flavor. This is the finished aioli. Just gonna put it in the fridge and let it set up. Now let's season our burger and make our patties. We're gonna start with our Beyond Burgers. Now, as you know, these are fully seasoned. We're just gonna go ahead and elevate them and give it this Korean barbecue punch. Super simple ingredients here. We have some soy, ginger, garlic, a little bit of white sugar, mix it up. Now we just pull it out and shape our burgers. Super easy. That's 1 and 2. Looks nice. Now let's go over to the heat, cook these up. Medium-high heat, we're gonna heat our pan, just a little bit of olive oil. Want to make sure our pan gets nice and hot. You can cook these burgers in a cast iron pan, stainless pan, non-stick pan, or on the grill. I personally like to cook them on the grill. Go ahead and add our burger patties. We're going to cook these burger patties for about 3.5 to 4 minutes per side. I personally like to make a lot of different types of seasoned patties. I'll do Cajun season or barbecue season. In this case, it's Korean barbecue. These burgers can really bring people together regardless of your diet. No gluten, no soy, no cholesterol. We're coming up on about 3.5 minutes now. We do have a little bit of sugar in the patty, so you want to be a little careful with the flame, not too high. Stay at that medium heat because the sugar will start to caramelize a little, as you can see. These are looking done, so they're ready to come off the heat. Now we can go over and plate our burger. Back from the heat. Now we're gonna go ahead and plate our burgers. We have some nice toasted buns here. I like to put sauce on the top and bottom because I love sauce. So we have our beautiful kimchi aioli here. We'll put it on the bottom and on the top. Now, let's go ahead and place our patties on top and top it with some of this beautiful, spicy, crunchy, sweet slaw. Love the texture this provides to the burger. It's so good. Lids on, elevated burger. There you go. All right, let's cut it, have a taste. Looks good. Let's try it. Really good. I gotta get Justin over here. It's his recipe. Hey, Jay.
What's up, D? What you got for me?
Your famous Korean barbecue burger.
Awesome. You want me to try it?
Yeah, let me see how it is. Yeah, come on, now, let's go.
As a Korean, that's beautiful. Let's go.
Bill from Boston made a good Korean barbecue burger.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. That is our Beyond Korean Barbecue Burger. You can get this recipe and all our other recipes on our website, beyondmeat.com. Please leave us some comments. Let us know what you like, what you'd like to see, and we will see you next time.